Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you on the Macbook Neo how to actually connect a USB hub. Now as you can see on the side of the Neo, there's only two USB-C ports. Now those will limit your ability to connect devices. So you'll need one of these, which is a USB hub. Now the USB hub will give you USB ports. So it will convert this over because the Neo is limited in ports. All right, so what you're gonna do is connect up the USB-C port. If it's the first time connecting it, it will ask you if you want to allow the USB 2.0 hub. As in my case, you can go ahead for the hub and say allow. If you do not allow it, for security reasons, it will not work, so you need to allow it. Next, once you allow it, you can then start connecting up stuff such as your USB drives. So you can actually go ahead and plug in your USB drives. That includes external keyboards and of course mouse and so on. So this is a very essential addition to connect your peripherals that use USB. Some of these also come with memory card slots, so you can actually get one depending on your need to connect extra stuff to your MacBook. And I like this one because it doesn't take away from the ports and you get extra ports. Plus you can get additional ports that you may need to connect all of your stuff to your MacBook. So if you don't have one already, go ahead guys and try this out as to connecting your devices. So definitely guys, it does work. Let me quickly show you that it works. So I'm going to connect this here drive. I have a separate tutorial that shows you how to use it and how to access it. So if I go ahead guys and connect, give it a minute, there you go. So you see that the flash drive appears as no name, and of course I can easily eject as well. So let me go eject no name, disconnect, and there you go. So it easily reads the flash drive on your Mac. So if you need a USB hub, I highly recommend getting one for your MacBook Neo to give you ports or additional ports that you'll need. All right, so it easily disconnects as well, and that's it. Hope this was useful guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.